All right, good morning, everybody. We got a job coming up. Okay, right now, we're gonna go get the material for it. All right, I'll see you when I'm there. All right, guys, we made it. Let's get it. So at this part of the video, we are already 2 trips deep to Home Depot. This is the second time going in the day. We had already came and picked up the picket fence, went and dropped it off, brought a existing piece of fence to get the color matched, got the paint, got the screws, got the wood. Now we're gonna head over to the house. Alrighty, guys. Made it. So, for anybody wondering who that guy is helping me unload the back of my truck, that's my dad. He wanted to tag along and make sure I didn't do anything incorrectly. More or less, he just wanted to help me out, make sure I was doing everything right. And, yeah. Okay. As you can see, it's all gonna get fixed or replaced. So let me set up a new camera angle.
Esa también la podemos poner, mire, aquí hay 2. Estas también hay que salvarlas. Pero las que tengo ahora, deja voy retornando todo.
There's still some that have to push back. We're just replacing, and then we'll come back and do the finishing touches. See little ones that are bulging out.
As you guys can see, this one's super warped. So what happens when they get wet, don't have enough coating.
La que está al otro lado, porque ahí no pega. Pero es que aquí lleva una pieza que es por el otro lado.
Alrighty everyone, for the final result. Obviously we color matched it. It actually came out really good. It's just need some time to dry up. And here we are where we had previous holes all throughout, straightened out the bulging existing fence and replaced the fence where it was missing, as well as where it was broken. As you can see, no more extreme bulging or warping. It's back. Color matched it. Again, it needs some time to dry. Paint. Company recommends about 2 to 4 hours. Final result. All right.
If you enjoyed the content, please give us a like and subscribe. Helps us out tremendously. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you on the next video.